As of today, 12th of January, as I'm shooting this video, market has shown a good fall. There is red everywhere. Everyone is panicking and telling you to sell. But there is no need to panic. Look at the chart. See, market has taken a support near 25,600 and shown a small reversal over here. But we are facing a critical resistance near 25,750. So if the market closes below this support level 25,600 or does not sustain about 25,750, then we can see a fall in the market. It can fall till first 25,050 support and then till 24,336 support level. And I am sharing these support levels with all of you, not to scare you, but to prepare you that where you can deploy your cash. And all of these dips are 100% normal, and I can guarantee you that selling your stocks now can be the worst decision you can ever make. Instead, today I am discussing a proven way today, a way to identify and build positions in quality stocks when the market is down. So no need to panic, no need to sell. This is how real wealth is built. So watch the video till the end, because by the end of the video you will understand how an investor should build position to create real wealth in a fallen down market. And now let's start the video. Stop investing. Don't start another SIP. Not until you hear this.
If you ask me, forget about 1 month. I usually buy a stock which I know that is not going to perform maybe for next 6 months. Because that is the time actually I am taking to accumulate stock from the market. And only one mantra in stock market is to make money in market is to sit for long term only.
The man whom you have just heard is a legendary investor who built a portfolio worth over 1400 crores. His name is Vijay Kedia, and he once said something that goes against everything you have been told about making money in stocks. So he deliberately buys the stocks that he knows won't move for another 6 months or even a year, while the entire world is chasing the stocks that are hitting new highs every day. We have a master investor who is doing the exact opposite. Why? Because he understands a secret that most retail investors miss. Think about it. You are a salaried professional, maybe a business owner. You save anywhere between 25,000 rupees to a lakh every month for investing. Now you find a great stock. The stock is already rallying and near its peak. Here you put your first installment, and poof, very next month the stock rallies 20%. So what happens next? You feel like you have missed the bus. You think that what if I had more capital back then? So you wait for a correction which never comes. Or worse, you buy at the absolute peak out of sheer FOMO and put yourself at massive risk. But what if there was a better way? What if you could find a fundamentally strong company before the rally? A company that gives you a 6, 9 or even a 12-month window to slowly build position piece by piece. Just like how Vijay Kedia sir does. It's not a dream, it's a method which I will reveal in this video, and it revolves around two powerful words. First is capex and second is guidance. Remember these two words, they are very important. So this is Sanika, MD at Rangavan Finance, and I welcome you to this channel where your growth is our priority. Now let's move on to the secret formula, and the formula has 4 equations. Simple yet powerful. Let's start with equation number 4, available at a discount. The stock should be trading at a discount and not near its all-time high. If you buy during a breakout, you will not get time to build positions. Equation number 3, proven past performance. The company should have shown good growth in the past, good sales, good profits in the last 3 to 5 years. Even the stock price should have delivered returns. Equation number 2, expanding capex. The company should be expanding, building new plants, acquiring businesses, investing in the future. Good capex today, means higher revenue tomorrow. Now the last equation, equation number 1, your investment plan. Now the most important part is you need a plan. At what levels you will buy, how much quantity, and most importantly, how will you systematically build positions. Now that we know all of the equations, let's apply this formula to a real company. So the company we are analyzing today turns sunlight into gold, and the stock price has performed superb over the last few months, and still it is available at a great valuation today. So the company sells everything from panels to transformers to smart grids. So the company is not just riding the energy revolution, it is building it. And right now, this stock is at a very interesting phase for an investor. So let us apply all of the equation and see how this stock performs. Equation number 4. Is it available at a discount? Yes. Currently, the stock is trading at a 25% discount from its all-time high. And since its IPO, the stock has been in a consolidation phase for the last 18 months, which is good thing for us. As a result, the PE ratio has dropped down from 72 to 32. So the stock is giving us time to build positions. Equation number 3. Has it performed in the past? See, its numbers are fabulous. In the last 5 years, the sales have grown at a CAGR of 49%. That is 49% growth every single year. And its profit after tax? That is a mind-blowing 109% CAGR. So the past performance is not just good, it is phenomenal. Now remember what I spoke about guidance? Well, this is where the real story begins. Every year, strong companies come out in front of the investors and make a bold statement about the future. They don't guess, they commit. They tell the market how fast they are expecting to grow over the next 1 or even 5 years, how much profits they are aiming to generate, and in many cases, the exact profit margins at which they are planning to operate the business. This is the management telling us that judge us by these numbers. And this is exactly what Waaree Energies management has done. Their management has stated that they want to achieve an EBITDA of 5,500 to 6,000 crores in FY 2026. And their FY 2025 EBITDA was 3,123 crores. And if they hit this target, that is a potential growth of 76% to 92% in a single year. And the recent quarters show that they are not just talking, they are delivering it. Equation number 2. Is the company expanding? For this, let us understand what CapEx means. CapEx means that the company is putting serious money on the table to build factories, add capacity, and invest in the future. It is like the management is saying, we are betting big on our own growth. And for an investor, CapEx is powerful because today's spending can lead to higher revenues in the future, stronger market share, and long-term wealth creation. Now, this is where the story gets truly exciting. Waaree has announced a massive capex of 25,000 crores to be executed over 24 months until FY28. In FY26, they are deploying 10 to 15% of this capex, then 50% in FY27, and the remaining in FY28. But they are not just building, they are buying. 3 strategic acquisitions have been made to improve the business. First, Meyer Burger's US assets. So this gives the company a direct US manufacturing foothold, sharply improving their margins and long-term competitiveness. Second, Cotsons Private Limited, a 64% stake for 192 crores in a transformer manufacturing company. So this builds the power infrastructure backbone for their solar projects. Third, Racemosa Energy India, a 76% stake for 53 crores in smart meters. So these acquisitions are not random. Together, they create a full stack energy platform from solar manufacturing to power equipment to smart grids. So this is how long-term energy leaders are built. So Waaree fits our formula perfectly. And now let's jump to the investment plan. And by the way, I am planning to add Vari to my model portfolio. Now, as I say this, many of you will start thinking, if you are revealing so much over here, then why should I go on your website rangavan.finance and buy the model portfolios or the basic plan? See, I want to answer this with complete honesty. If knowing just the stock name was enough, then investing would be easy. But the real money is made by knowing when to add more, when to hold, and most importantly, when to book profits. Now let me give you a real life example of M&M Financial Services. Now we bought the stock around 338 rupees and exited around 400 rupees. Now the same day and the very next day the stock corrected. Now imagine someone who did not know when to exit the stock. They would be still stuck in the stock watching their profits disappear. And majority of the investors don't know when to exit, when to book profits. And we solve this problem. And that is where a model portfolio changes everything. You don't just get stock names, you get clarity. According to your capital, you know how much quantity to buy, when to add, when to exit. And these are the decisions that separate casual investors from serious wealth builders. So this paid service is not for everyone. It is for investors who want to build a strong foundation and not gamble with tips. So if you are serious, talk to my team first. Ask your questions, understand the process. Here is the number. So let's jump to the investment plan once again. And I'm planning to add this stock to my model portfolio. And my first accumulation zone is near 2868. And if the market corrects further, then my second stage is around 2619 rupees. And I have allocated not more than 6% of my portfolio to this stock. And I will be starting with 2% and then adding 2% at each stage. And what about the third stage? That I will be adding when the stock gives an all-time high breakout. And these levels are based on market conditions as of today and may change in the future. Today we talked about one stock, Vari Energies, but the lesson is bigger. It is about shifting your mindset from a trader to an investor. It is about having the patience to let the story unfold. And yes, there is another company even more interesting available at 34% discount from its stock. And remember, invest wisely. And if you have any doubts regarding which subscription to buy, then call my team. They will guide you because your growth is our priority. So this was Sanika from Rangavan Finance and I will see you very soon in the next one. Till then, bye-bye.